Hey guys, welcome back to Delph. Today I'll be showing you how to fix a black screen on Zoom. So guys, if you ever encounter this issue, the first thing that you should do is you can just simply go ahead and go for the gear icon over here on the left side of the screen at the bottom. And now over here guys, you can just simply go ahead and go for the screen share. So here on the screen share guys, make sure you could just simply turn this off. Use TCP connection for screen sharing. So sometimes guys, using this have a huge impact. So turning this off will help. And also the screen share frames per second limit, turn that off and make it on automatic. And when it comes to use hardware acceleration, it's best to turn this off guys sometimes, because these are the reason why you are having some issues into your computer. Now another option is just simply close other applications that you no longer use, because sometimes there are the reason why as well. And if it doesn't work out again, you will just simply try to connect and reconnect your webcam. And also, when you're going for a meeting, guys, just make sure you have the right speaker and make sure you have the right webcam. So sometimes if you have the right webcam, so sometimes your webcam is not selected over here. That's why you are having some problems. And when it comes to the video and effects settings as well, I recommend not changing everything over here, because sometimes adding up some filters, backgrounds can cause these issues. And pretty much that's it. If you found this video helpful guys, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, comment down below. And thanks for watching.